1.6 is on subtracting integers. As we know, subtraction is the opposite of addition. So to subtract an integer is the same as saying we're going to add its opposite. Now 5 minus 4, you've been doing this since elementary school. 5 minus 4, I think you can do that already, is 1. Let's go ahead and see how that works to give us some foundation for the integer rule. So I'm going to do 5 plus a negative 4, adding the opposite. Now applying our rules that we just learned, we're going to say I have opposite or different signs, positive and a negative. So I'm going to find the difference. The difference between 5 and 4 is 1. The biggest integer is 5, and that's positive, so it's going to say positive. Showing it on a number line, I would start at 5. Minus 4, or adding negative 4, means I'm going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I end up at 1. Moving on, since we've shown how to do that, we have that word evaluate. So we're going to have a when again. So I'm going to substitute that in. Negative 9 minus negative 40. Now, this is nice because I can keep changing my colors here. Maybe. So, I'm going to add the opposite. And I know you practiced this in 7th grade. So now I have the sentence negative 9 plus 40. I have different signs, a negative 9, a positive 40. So I'm going to find the difference. The difference between 9 and 40 is 31, and I look to see which value was larger. 40 is larger, and it's a positive, so the answer there would be 31. If I look at the next one, I have 7 minus, and I'm going to substitute in my negative 9. Turn back to our blue so we can illustrate the difference. We're going to add the opposite. So now I have a positive 7, but I also have a positive 9. So I can go ahead and combine those and give them the sign that they share, which is positive. So the answer there would be 16, a positive 16. Let's see. Let me pause this a minute and see if we have the last example. Now that concludes lesson 1.6.